Hello students, today in this video we find the solutions of the 9th chapter differentiation of first year maths B. So it is very important chapter. You can expect more marks from this chapter. In this we are going to find the solutions of 9th C here. 9th C. Here first section, first question is find the derivatives of the following function. He is asking us to find the derivatives of the given functions. Here first question is given that sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube he is given. Solution here we take y is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube as a will take like this. Here I will take x is equal to as sine theta I will take here. So in the x place I will take x is equal to sine theta here. Sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta will come here. So this is a formula of, we can say that here this is a sine 3 theta value. Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta will come here. So please remind, this formula is very important here. If you in case come in exams, you have to take this type of formula, so you have to do this process. Here y is equal to, we will get as sine inverse of sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta will get here. So from this sine inverse of sine theta is equal to, we will get 3 theta here. Actually we got we took as a x is equal to sine theta, no? So here theta is equal to, we can write it as sine inverse of x here. So from this means here I will take 3 sine inverse of x here. So this is y is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to dy dx of 3 into sine inverse of x. Actually 3 is a constant here, it will come in the front side and it will become is equal to 3 into dy dx of sine inverse x here. Sine inverse x is equal to, what is the formula here? 1 by under root of 1 minus x square here. And here 3 is there, it will become 3 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. This dy by dx is equal to. So this is the answer here what we have to find here. Now moving to the next question. Here second question is given that cos inverse of, so we will let y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x we will take here. So in this x is equal to, I will take it as cos theta. So it is in the cos, no? So I will take it a cos theta. So why it is cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta will come here. Now in this 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to, we can write it as cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta it will come. Here cos inverse of cos 3 theta will come here. So this is y is equal to cos inverse of cos theta is equal to 3 theta. So this will get cancelled here and it will become 3 theta will remain here. Now theta is equal to, from this we can write it as theta is equal to cos inverse of x here. So I will take 3 cos inverse of x where y is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to 3 into dy by dx of cos inverse x here. What is the cos inverse x value here? 1 by minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square here. So into 3 is there, na? Into 3 it will become minus 3 divided by under root of 1 minus x square is the answer here. Now moving to the third question. Now see here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta is the one basic identity. So please follow this one. So then we'll get cos and sine also here I told in the previous question. So this one sine is equal to, okay. Now this is a cos is equal to. So now we are going to find the third question solution here. Here solution is, so given that sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is given here. Now third question is sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is given. So I will take it as y is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square here. So in this I will take x is equal to as a tan theta. So y is tan theta will to, here 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta will come. That's why I am taking. Okay. So this is the formula where sine 2 theta is equal to, in the tan form 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So in the form, actually sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta will come. So this is also in the form. So in the this total sin 2 theta in the tan form is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta will come also here. Okay, so we will take this sin 2 theta value in this one, like we can take y x is equal to tan theta. Now sin inverse of 2 into tan theta will come, x is equal to tan theta I took now. So here 1 by tan square theta will come, tan square theta. So this total will become, you know, already I told you sin inverse of sin 2 theta will come here. So it will become 2 theta, there y is equal to. Now from this y theta is equal to, we can write it as tan inverse of x here. So y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. So we will take dy by dx. So it will be also dy by dx. Dy by dx of tan inverse x is equal to how much here? 1 by 1 plus x square, means 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square will come here answer. So answer will become 2 divided by 1 plus x square, where dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to. So this is answer here. Now moving to the next question. Now fourth question is given that solution here. Tan inverse of a minus x by 1 plus x, it is come in the tan a minus tan divided by a minus b. Okay, will come that. Okay, I will take it as solution here. I will take it as a is equal to tan alpha and b x is equal to tan theta here. X is equal to tan theta I will take here. Now in this solution we will do to here y is equal to, I will take it as tan inverse of a minus x divided by 1 plus ax will come here. So in this tan inverse of a is equal to what I will take, tan alpha, because I will took that, let, and x is equal to tan theta, and total divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan theta. So this is total tan of alpha minus theta. So if you take this is capital A capital B also will come here. If you take PQ also will come here. Okay, if you take R and S and T also will come here. Same process only. Okay, tan inverse of this is tan alpha minus theta divided by 1 plus tan alpha theta is equal to tan, what we can write it as, tan alpha minus theta. Tan alpha minus theta is equal to, we'll get this answer total, tan a minus b is equal to, so this is tan a minus tan d tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is will come here. This is a formula where we have to use this alpha and beta I use. Okay, a and theta I use. Now here it will become alpha minus beta will come, sorry, alpha minus theta will come. So this is will come only here, where y is equal to alpha is equal to what we so here alpha is equal to tan inverse of a will become, and theta is equal to tan inverse of x will come, tan inverse of x. Okay, here if we dy by dx we will do, so here dy by dx of tan inverse of a minus dy by dx of tan inverse of x. So I am taking tan as a small or capital, no problem, anything you can do. So I will take tan to, or no problem here. So d by dx of tan inverse of a is equal to 0 here, minus d by dx of tan inverse of x is equal to, we can write it as tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square will come. So this is the answer, minus 1 by 1 plus x square is the answer, where dy by dx is equal to. Okay, now moving to the next question here. Here next question is given that fifth one here, tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. Tan inverse of 1 plus cos x, we can write it as 1 plus cos, sorry, 1 minus cos x, we can write it as in the form of 2 into sin square x by 2. Okay, we'll write in this one 1 plus cos x is also, we can write it as 2 into cos square. Okay, cos square x by 2 will come here. So this is the two formulas where we have to submit in this one. We'll get the answer in the tans form. Okay. So here 1 minus cos x is equal to, we can write it as 2 into sine square x by 2 and divided by 2 into cos square x by 2 will come here. So 2 will get cancelled. Sine square by cos square x by 2 is equal to tan inverse of, so this is, let y is equal to, and y is equal to tan inverse of will come under root of sine square by cos square x, tan square x by 2 will come. Square root will get cancelled here, tan x will remain. Tan x, tan inverse of tan x by 2, so it will become also nothing here, it will become x by 2 will come. So y is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into d by dx of x is equal to, this is total 1 here. So answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1, so is equal to 1 by 2. So this is answer here. Now moving to the sixth question here. Now sixth one is sine of cos x square here. Solution we will do now. Y is equal to sine of cos of x square will come here. This is a question here. We derivate both sides. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine of cos x square. Okay, d by dx of sine x is equal to cos x. Okay na, cos x means x place is, where is cos only here, cos x square will come. And derivative, what is the derivative? D by dx of in the x place there is a cos x square here, cos x square here. So d by dx of cos x square is equal to, cos x is equal to minus sin x, cos of cos x square into d by dx of cos x square is equal to minus sin x square. Okay, minus sin x square. In the x plus, d by dx of x square is there. We have to do that also. Here sin minus will come front side, it will become, and cos of cos x square and sin x square. Here it will become 2x. It will become 2x will come here, 2x. So 2x will come front side, will right side, will come front side, it will become cos of cos x square into sin x square will the answer here. So this is answer here. Now moving to the seventh one here. Here seventh question is given that secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1 is given. Solution here, x is equal to, this is in the secant now, so I will take cos theta, will try. Okay, so cos theta, if I take x is equal to, it will become 2 cos square theta minus 1 will come. So this will become cos 2 theta, we can write it as. Okay, solution here, secant y is equal to, let me y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 into cos square theta minus 1. Okay, it will become secant inverse of 1 by cos 2 theta will come here, and secant inverse of this we can write it as secant 2 theta, and secant square theta into secant theta is equal to secant inverse of secant theta is equal to 2 theta, where y is equal to, theta is equal to, we can write it as cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x, theta is equal to. So means dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of cos inverse x will come. So 2 into cos inverse x is equal to how much here, cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So this is answer here, 2 into. Okay, moving to the next question here. Now eighth question is given that sine of tan inverse of e power of x is given. Solution here, sine of y is equal to sine of tan inverse of e power of x is given here. Okay, we'll do dy by dx directly here. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of sine of tan inverse of e power of x here. E power of x here will come. So we'll do one thing here, tan and sine of cos x will come here, cos x, cos of tan inverse of e power of x into d by dx of tan inverse of e power of x will come here, e power of x will come. So in this cos of tan inverse of e power of x will lower, and it will become tan inverse of x is equal to what will be the tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus e power of x whole square will come into dy dx of e power of x. I told you already this one. I am thinking like that is I told you already. So but this type of question may become, but it is not question. We'll check once. Sorry friends, this is same question as 9th B. Okay, section 2 5th question, same like this, but here we have to take minus. That's only I forgot here. So here minus, here all will come minus, here minus also, here minus also, here minus also. So it will become what will get here. So here it will become d by dx of e power minus is equal to we'll write direct answer only, tan inverse of e power of minus x into 1 by 1 plus e power of minus x whole square into d by dx of e power of x is equal to minus e power of minus x will come here. So this will write in the front side here. This is only answer after getting writing here. Now moving to the next question here. What is the next question? Second question. Now second question is given that differentiate f of x with respect to the g of x for the following following functions. Here f of x is given e power of x and g of x is equal to given as a root x here. Solution. Now f of x is equal to e power of x, no, and g of x is equal to root x here in the x form only. Two are in the x form only. I will take this as a y is equal to e power of x, and this is I will take it as x y z. I will take in the z form. Okay, z is equal to root x here. Root x is equal to, I will do this as a dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to, and it will become also I will do dy by dx also e power of x only come. After that dy by dz by dx will also I will do here. It will become dy by dx of root x will come. It will become 1 by under root of 2 root x. Okay, 2 root x will come here. Now what we have to get answer here, differentiate we have to f of x with the g of x, no. So g of x is equal to this one, no? F of x is equal to this one, no? So means here dy by dx is equal to, no, divided by dz by dx is equal to will do here. So means what we have got, e power of x divided by 2 into under root of x here, 1 by, this is 1 by here. So dx will get cancelled here. Dy by dz is equal to e power of x divided by 1 by 2 into x here. So it will reverse and it will become 2 root x e power of x into 2 root x will come here. This is the answer here, right. This is answer. Now moving to the second question here. Here second question also same procedure like first question. Here y is equal to e power of sin x and g of x is equal to, I will take z is equal to sin x I will take here. So dy by dx is equal to e power of sin x into dy by dx here I will, okay, I will do here. Dz by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x here. Now dy by dx is equal to e power of sin x is equal to what we will get here, e power of sin x is equal to e power of sin x into dy by dx of sin x is equal to dy by dx of sin x here will come again. Dy by dx of sin x is equal to cos x, sin x into cos x will come here, okay, into sorry, into nothing here there. So it will become total dy by dx here. Now here dz by dx is equal to, will do dy by dx sin x is equal to cos x, it will come directly. Means we will write dy by dx of and dz by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to e power of sin x into cos x and divided by 1 by, sorry, nothing 1 by, here cos x only, sin x is equal to cos x will it came. So dx will get cancelled, dy by dz is equal to we can cancel cos x here, okay, we will get e power of sin x here. This is the answer. Now third question is given that f of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square and g of x is equal to given sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is given. Okay, Right. Solution here will do like this. I try to y is equal to, I will take it as tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square I will take, and this is, I will take it as z is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square I will take here. Okay, after that I will do means x is equal to, I will take tan theta, don't worry, will come. Okay, okay, I will take it as x is equal to tan theta, there where y is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta will come, and here it will come z is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta will come, so this we can write it as 2 theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta we can write, okay, right, we can write tan inverse of tan 2 theta will come here. So this is y1. Now z1 will come as a sin inverse of this total will come as a sin 2 theta, na? Okay, sin 2 theta will come here, right, this is a sin 2 theta will come, this one, okay, will come. Okay, here tan inverse of tan theta is equal to y is equal to 2 theta will come, and z is equal to sin inverse of tan theta 2 theta will come. So theta is equal to, we can write it as tan inverse of x here. Okay, this we can write in this form. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse of x here, tan inverse of x here. So this is also d by dz of z of d by dx, dz by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse of x. So total will become same only, na? So we can cancel, so we'll do dy by dx and dz by dx. So this answer are equal here, so we can cancel, so it will become 1 will come here. So see here 2 d by dx of tan inverse x value will come same, d by dx of tan inverse of x will come same here. So 2 will also get also will cancel here. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dz is equal to, we get as a 1 here answer. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is third one, the last question of this first section. Now third question is y is equal to, solution here where y is equal to e power of a into sin inverse x here given that, okay, e power of a into sin inverse of x, then prove that we have to prove dy by dx is equal to ay divided by 1 minus x square root of, okay, here dy by dx is equal to e power of, so dy by dx of e power of a into sin inverse of x, here the question will total here. Okay, I am sorry my dear friends, my dear students, and it will become e power of a sin inverse of x. Okay, I write wrongly here, this is the question actually, so this is, I write wrong here, e power of a into sin inverse of x, I will write correctly here, I will erase this one, all are I erased, it will become e power of sin inverse of x here. Okay, y is equal to e power of a sin inverse of x is the question in the textbook. Okay, right, then we have to prove that dy by dx of ay by under root of 1 minus x square, we have to prove dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power of a power of sin inverse of x here. Okay, so it will become e power of sin inverse of a into sin inverse of x only will come, and in the x place where is the this total is there, into d by dx of a into sin inverse of x will come. Here the answer will become e power of a sin inverse of x will come into d by dx of a will constant, we will write before, sin inverse of x is equal to, we can write it as under 1 by under root of 1 minus x square will come. So total answer is a divided by under root of 1 minus x square into e power of a power of sin in a into sin inverse of x. So this is answer where dy by dx is equal to, this is the answer here.